This is a quick video about my clock in the Audi 4000. This is the clock that came out of my car, and I noticed on the Audi Tradition website that I could order a new clock for my model from Audi Tradition for around 50 euros. I thought, okay, that's probably cheaper than it would cost me to get my clock repaired. And so I ordered it. And but you'll notice right away there is a major difference in the two. They're both VDO clocks. From the back and from the workings, everything looks the same, but the face is completely different. This one says VDO quartz, made in Germany with the 12 o'clock at the top. The replacement clock is just made in Germany with a bunch of lines. So I thought, well, I want the original look. So I am in the process of dismantling my original clock to see if I can replace this face onto this clock. So that I have new workings, but I have the original face to preserve the original optics. So that's what I'm working on. I started by taking the hands and the pointers off of the original clock so that I could get to the face. And there you see them laying there. They're just pressed on. So with my needle nose pliers, I was able to get the second hand off, and then the other two with just my fingernails. So hopefully the face will come off just as easily. I see that there are indentations on 3 sides of this metal face. 1, 2 right there, and then on the other side as well. So those 3 indentations are holding the metal face onto the plastic carrier. And here is the clock installed. So you can see that it works, and it has all of the original face parts. So the hands, as well as the faceplate, are from the original. Only the inner workings on the backside, which you can't see, are the newer video reproduction. So if you want to know how I got to that, I'll tell you real quickly. This dash cover is only held on by 2 screws, one here and one here, and then you just pull it toward you. And then in order to get to the clock, there are 2 screws holding the instrument cluster to the dash. And in order to get to those, you have to take the top switch out of both sides. And once you have that out and the top plate off, then you can put your screwdriver through here and get to the screw that's back here, holding the instrument panel to the dash. And you do that on both sides. And then you have to take the connectors off of all of the switches. So there's only one on this side. And then once you have the connectors off of the switches, you have to take the speedometer cable and screw it loose from right here. And once you have the speedometer cable loose, you can pivot the instrument cluster upward well enough so that you can get to everything on the back side. So that's all I had to do, and now I have a working clock again.